Welcome to my channel. Orbi Purple Light Issue. Troubleshooting steps. Restart the Orbi devices. The first method to try is restarting your Orbi router and satellite. This can often resolve temporary connectivity issues. Resync the Orbi and satellite. If the purple light is on the satellite, it may indicate a syncing issue. Try resyncing the satellite with the router. For any technical issue, call now us +1 8668890666 UK +4480827356866. Visit website trendywifi.com. Reset the device. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, consider resetting the Orbi device to its factory settings. This can help clear any configuration errors that might be causing the connectivity problem. Check internet settings. Verify that your internet settings are correct. Sometimes, incorrect settings can prevent the Orbi from connecting to the internet. For any technical issue, call now us +1 8668890666 UK +4480827356866. Visit website trendywifi.com. Thanks for watching.